Hello everyone, this is Bhagyalakshmi. In this video, we are going to discuss about full recruitment life cycle. Let's start with the introduction. Human resources plays an important role in the aim of an organization of producing most of production. Recruitment should ensure the organization attracts the best talented people at the lowest cost. What is recruitment? Recruitment is a process of identifying, screening, shortlisting, and hiring potential resource for filling up the vacant positions in an organization. Recruitment life cycle: preparing, sourcing, screening, selecting, hiring, and onboarding are the process of recruitment. First one or planning. Understanding the requirements and writing job description comes here. Second one is sourcing. Sourcing is the process where the resources are searched depending upon the requirements of the job. The sources are broadly divided into two categories: internal sources and external sources. Internal sources of recruitment refer to hiring employees within the organization through promotions, transfers, former employees, internal advertisements, employee referrals, and previous applicants. External sources of recruitment refer to hiring employees outside through direct recruitment, employment exchanges, employment agencies, advertisements, professional associations, campus recruitment, and word of mouth. Screening. The purpose of screening is to remove from the recruitment process at an early stage those applicants who are visibly unqualified for the job. Care must be exercised to assure that potentially good employees are not lost. Telephonic or web interview. Conducting telephonic or video interviews is the second step of screening candidates. In this process, after the resumes are screened, the candidates are contacted through phone or video by the hiring manager. This screening process has two outcomes. It helps in verifying the candidates whether they are active and available. It also helps in giving a quick insight about the candidate's attitude, ability to answer interview questions, and communication skills. Selecting. Selection is the process of picking or choosing the right candidate who is most suitable for a vacant job position in an organization. Shortlisting. The purpose of this step is to identify the showstoppers that further eliminate candidates from consideration in order to have qualified candidates to invite to a face-to-face interview. Interview. Interview process. Interviewing candidates is the final stage in the recruitment process. Hence, to find the right person for a specific position, there should be a proper process that has to be followed for the right results. Hiring is the practice of finding, evaluating, and establishing a working relationship with future employees. This contains negotiation, background check, releasing offer letter, and contract. Onboarding process step of recruitment life cycle. The process from where the candidate is hired till candidate start process between that is called onboarding process, which includes device allocation, orientation, and doing onboarding with all documentation since day one. Thus, recruitment plays an important role in the development of an organization. Human resources department makes this is so human resource is heart of any organization. Thank you one and all. Thanks for the opportunity of internship in CSB.